It started with our minister taking a trip to Samso Island. It's a net zero island off the coast of Denmark, and he learned a lot about how they implemented the energy transition in Denmark. What followed was a decision to start with school bus fleet.
The public schools branch has a little over 20,000 students in our branch. About 17,000 of them are eligible for transportation to and from school every day. Our buses on a typical day just to and from school would log between 25 and 30,000 kilometers, and we have about 300 buses in our fleet.
82, I believe, electric buses will be on the road by the end of this year, located mostly in the urban centers right now, but that will be extended outside of Charlottetown and Summerside areas. The goal is to convert the fleet entirely by 2030. I think we're well on track to meet that goal.
The kids really love it. They're a smooth ride.
The buses are significantly quieter, which we really hope is going to lead to an enhanced experience riding the bus. Maybe more studying can even get done on the bus.
With that much less noise, and the kids are that much less noisy themselves.
Right now, our monthly electrical consumption charges would total about a quarter of the amount that our fossil fuel bill would have incurred during the same period of time.
There's a lot less parts on the electric bus than there is a diesel, so breakdowns are not as frequent.
And the expectation is that maintenance costs on these vehicles will result in some cost savings in the long run as well.
When you really start thinking about it, you see that school buses spend a lot of their time idling, not just picking up kids at their stops, but when they drop them off or they're picking them up at school, they're sitting there with the engines running, and kids are playing next to those buses. And in any area where there's a lot of idling going on, you're going to have air quality impacts, and this would be a dramatic improvement.
The batteries for the buses are located underneath the bus, and they're spread throughout the bus, as opposed to the diesel engine where all of the weight was concentrated at the front end. The result of which is they do handle very well in winter conditions.
I think it's a great initiative. The kids really enjoy it because it's something new to them.
It's very exciting. In an education world, we are all about the future, educating our children to be the leaders in the future, and we want to leave them with a better planet than we brought them into.